Hi, my name is Olya and I work as a technical consultant and a green roof architect for ZinCo Canada. And I'm often asked how to install ZinCo materials. And today we will do a short tutorial on how do you unroll it, how do you install it, how material looks. Stay with us as this video is useful for you. We start from a root barrier. It's one of the most important parts of ZinCo green roof system because this is the first layer of protection which is getting installed on top of the waterproofing membrane. This is our protection mat. It protects the construction from any potential damage, from the small pieces of glass that could be thrown on top of the roof or pieces of metal. So protection mat is an important layer when we're talking about a green roof system. So next layer is our drainage board. It's an amazing tool on the green roof which helps you to store some water in these little cups and retain the water on the rooftop, which delays the outflow of the rainwater. So if you look closer on this material, you will see that it has a little holes. So under the green roof where this material is getting installed holds up in order to store the water, and when we're installing it under the gravel or for example under the pavers, we're just flipping the drainage board and releasing the water but still keeping the drainage. Following the drainage board, our filter sheet is getting installed, and this is the barrier that keeps any small particles from the soil to penetrate the system and land into the drain. So this material is getting installed loosely on top with the overlapping and also on the vertical parapets, vertical walls. The most important part is our soil. So we always reach for aggregate soil to keep the porosity and to deliver the aeration for the root system. And in extensive green roof systems, we're using sedum mats or sedum plugs. And this environment is just the best for the root system because it delivers the porosity and also it's lightweight. One thing you should remember about the substrate on your rooftop is organic doesn't mean more vegetation. We want to keep our substrate low organic in order to keep plants as an ecosystem and prevent any possible weeds that could land, that birds can seed them. So we want to keep it low organic and high for the aggregate. So regarding the vegetation, we have a couple options, and one of the most popular is sedum mats. As you can see, they are thriving. We have from 9 to 12 different species, and this is exactly the rule because it's creating the ecosystem. This is exactly what makes them strong, durable, and